Hi guys, so it was suggested that I do a about me video so I can put it on YouTube, and I don't like talking about myself much, so this will probably be a pretty quick video. My name's Shane. I live in northern Utah. I'm married, got 2 kids, 2 grandkids. I'm about 30-40 pounds overweight, pretty much gray, and I don't know if it's the old age, medication, or all the damn drugs I did when I was a young stupid kid, but my memory ain't worth a shit. My short term's okay, my midterm, it's gone. Long term, it's kind of hit and miss. You ask me what I did a year ago or 5 years ago, 10 years ago, I couldn't tell you. You asked me what my address was when I was in first grade, and I could tell you my phone number when I was in third grade, or my locker com when I was in seventh grade. So it's kind of crazy. My memory just likes to play games with me. I've got, I don't know, 500-600 people on Facebook. Most of them are people I went to school with, and I can't remember any of them. So that's kind of why I do these videos. It helps me remember how I made something and when I made it. So it's kind of therapeutic for me, and it helps me out quite a bit. So that's one reason for the videos. I've got way too many hobbies. Some are leather working, bladesmithing, blacksmithing, photography, camping. I collect old Coleman camping gear. I used to have 50 or 60 lanterns hanging up here on the ceiling, all ones that I've restored and brought back to life. I'm good with my hands. If I can look at something and pretty much tell you how it works, and if it's broke, I can fix it. So a lot of this equipment in here is stuff that I've made myself, and we'll go over a couple of them here in a second when we do a quick shop tour. So when I'm making these videos, if you hear me pausing, it's because I'm trying to think of the right word to say. It's just not coming to me. I can, like I said, I can look at something and know how it works, but to explain it to somebody else, ain't no way. So, like I said, if I'm pausing, stuttering, taking a few minutes to think about something on one of these videos, this is why. So that's probably enough about me. Let me take you off the tripod and we'll do a quick shop tour. So my shop, it's 1,200 square feet. It's L-shaped. It's got the main big room here, and a smaller room in the back, and then a bathroom clear in the very back. It used to be filled with old woodworking machines and metalworking machines that I restored. But a few years back we were going to move, and I didn't want to have to move all that heavy metal. So I sold just about everything I had, and I'm kind of starting over. This time I'm going to go with smaller, lighter machines. Before I had big, heavy industrial equipment in here. You can look at one of my previous shop tours on my YouTube channel and see some of them machines. I used to be, well, still am, quite well known for restoration work. Still to this day, I mean, I haven't done it for years, but I still to this day I get emails daily with people asking questions on how to restore a machine and all that fun stuff, and I've quit answering them. To be honest, I don't remember doing it. So when people ask me specific questions about how I did something, I can't remember doing it, so like I said, I just kind of quit answering. There up in the ceiling, you can see a few of the lanterns I have left. So anyway, I'm standing on the north end of the shop. Got chop saw and arbor press, TV. I usually just have that on for some background noise. A big bench here, about 12 foot long. Old Buffalo drill press that I restored. That's one of the few machines that I did keep. North wall here. Got dust collector. This is an oven I made for heat treating my knives and stuff. Spindle sander, belt sander, grinder, and a surface grinder. It's a homemade jobber. We'll head over to the west wall. We got Delta scroll saw, a Boise Crane scroll saw, and an old, hell, I'm gonna have to look at it. I can't remember what brand this is. Sheldon. It's a 11-inch metal lathe. And collet rack in the back that I built for it. And machinist toolbox, and my welder, chop saw, and just a bunch of miscellaneous hand tools. Here in the middle, got my belt sander that I made. I posted a video of that not too long ago. And my hydraulic press that I also made, and I also did a video on that. A couple anvils. One's at Trenton, I think 123 pounds, somewhere around there. And a 92-pound Vulcan. There's some storage. Shop's a mess, I should have cleaned it up. Tong rack. And behind that's an old Delta tilty saw. And this is a smithing magician that I made a little while ago. Wood burning stove behind that. There's my forge, I just posted a video on that. And my Peter Wright blacksmith post vise. I also did a video on that just recently. And furnace, fridge, toaster oven. Electrical panel and 3-phase converter. When I had all the old machines, the majority of them ran on 3-phase. But I don't think anything in here does anymore other than my big Quincy air compressor. So that's a looking back north where we started. And this is the back room, and I am not going to walk through here. It's just full of junk. It's just a rat hole. There's old machines back here and parts and a bunch of camping gear. Vices. Buffers. And the bathroom clear back in the back. So that's probably good enough. There's a Wicked Edge sharpening system. I love that thing. It works great for putting an edge on a blade. And back where we started. I'll show a couple of these vices I got. It's an old Colombian. Yeah, Colombian vise. And this one is a Richards Wilcox vise. And more storage. So this will conclude this video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you like the video, hit the like button. If you don't like it, hit the dislike button. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Thanks guys. Thanks for watching.